What's going on, guys? Back with another Grom video today. So the company KEMIMOTO, I recently did a review on one of their products, and they recently hit me up and asked me if I could do another review on another one of their products. So they sent it out to me. It is called the handlebar clamp accessory ball mount. And I'll show you a picture of what it looks like right here. So you see right here, it goes for a little over 70 bucks. And it's supposed to be a ball mount that you could attach various different things to a 1-inch ball attachment, and it also lifts the bar up 1 inch, so that's supposed to help with comfortability. I have the product right here, so let's take a quick look inside and see what it comes with. Here's the instructions. All right, so it's like kind of like a 1-inch riser, so that's one of the pieces. Another one of the pieces. Here goes the 1-inch ball mount itself. And here goes this piece. It's kind of like a little mini triple tree. And all the bolts needed to complete the installation. So it's supposed to go right here, like this, but it's going to be raised up 1 inch. And alright, so first, I think I need a little flathead to take these caps off. Okay, so I need an Allen wrench to take these off. Got these two pieces off. Now that I got these pieces off, these were the original ones. So now the next thing to do is put this, the new piece, underneath the bar, and you can see it'll make it stick up. Or it'll make the bar sit up 1 inch, so that'll be a little better for comfortability. And one thing I didn't know, I thought I was gonna have to take out the bolt on the bottom, but no, KEMIMOTO, they designed it so that this could go just directly onto the original one, and they give you a bolt that's long enough to go through both of these, so it can hit the threads of the original one. So that's a really cool design. So you can see it fits perfectly right under the stock bar, and it was a tight fit. These were zip tied to the handlebars, so the only thing you have to do to make it go 1 inch higher to be able to fit is just snip off the zip tie, and it gives enough slack so you can run these 1-inch risers with stock cables. So that's cool. Okay, so I finished tightening it all down. I think that's the only thing that'll take the longest in the whole installation, is getting the bolts to go all the way down, because they're pretty long bolts, and lining it up, keeping it lined up while you're tightening the bolts. But other than that, it was a pretty easy installation. I just got to put the ball joint right here, and we're all done. There we have it. Installation complete. I'm gonna take it for a test ride and see how it feels. So as far as the ball joint, the only thing I have that I could test it out with is this little extension I have. I use this to attach my GoPro to my handlebars. I have a little ball joint sticking out of the bars right there, but I just took it off just to test it right now. So let's attach it just to see how it works. And yeah, it works really good. You see, I could even adjust the angle of this any way that I want. It doesn't make any interference with the steering of the bike, even if I angle it down this far. But yeah, if I wanted to put my GoPro right up here, I could. But yeah, let me take it on a test drive so I could see how the bars, how it feels differently being up 1 inch. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I wanted to film this yesterday, but the sun went down too fast and it got dark really fast. So here we go. I'm using my little connector to attach to the 1-inch ball joint. So just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna attach my 360 GoPro. So this actually works pretty good because just turning the handlebars, it gets full range of motion, and I could do all types of angles. And right there, I could set it right there, and I could get a full 360 view. I know that some people, they have phone mounts that can use the 1-inch ball joint, but I don't have one since I use the what do you call it, the quad lock. I still use the quad lock mount. You can see it still works good, so I won't be needing this for that, but I could use my GoPro for it, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's give it a test ride. So already I could notice the difference of the bars being up 1 inch. It feels a lot more level. I mean, it's not all the way level with my shoulders, but it feels a lot closer, and yeah, it feels really comfortable. That's actually one of the reasons why I didn't want to put pro taper bars on here, because I know a lot of people, when they get Groms, one of the first modifications they do is they put pro taper bars and their arms are like reaching a lot lower, and I didn't want to do that because I like being able to sit upright. And with these little 1-inch risers, now I could actually put lower pro taper bars on, and it'll be sitting like at a stock Grom bars height. So I could actually do that now if I wanted to. And I know it says pro taper right here, but they're not pro taper bars. I just added the foam pad. You know, it's for looks. It's a Honda. What can I do? What can I say? I wonder if because the bars are sitting up 1 inch higher, it makes it easier for wheelies. I'm gonna try to do a clutch up right here. Oh yeah, it makes a difference. I'm a little rusty right now. I don't want to push it and do what I did on my last wheelie video. Alright you guys, well that should do it for today's video. Just a quick little install and demo. So I really like this thing. I'm gonna keep it on, and because I really like how it lifts the bars up 1 inch, and I like where my GoPro is sitting right there. So it's a really cool place to mount something. So I'll leave a link in the description for this item if you want to order it. And thanks again to KEMIMOTO for supporting the channel, and thanks for sticking around and watching, guys. Peace.